Ma'am, medyo atras po muna tayo ng onte. Matanong ko lang po, paano po nagsimula na naging napili niyo po yung pagtuturo as the profession po?
I actually did not choose it. I got invited to teach. I fell in love with philosophy. I enrolled in so many extra units in
Yes, opo.
philosophy without a career plan. I wanted to be a filmmaker and cinematographer because my course is communication arts.
Lasal din po, di ba?
Lasal, yeah.
opo.
Commerce ako. I wanted to be a filmmaker. My thesis mate is one of the in-house directors of ABS-CBN. I thought my career path was along that line. But I wasn't happy
Opo.
with the production work. It was just too tiring. You hardly sleep.
Opo.
And I said, no, I don't want to do this. And the day after I resigned with no fallback,
Opo.
no plan B. But I was just so done with it. Minsan ganun,
Opo, yung
dadating ka sa
ganun.
punto mo na yun, absolutely no doubt about saying goodbye.
Opo.
And then the day after I resigned, I got a call from LaSalle offering me a teaching job. Ito nga, huh? And then I was very happy with it. And
Opo.
I'm still happy. Corrupting the minds of the youth.
Yung favorite line ni ma'am, no? Corrupting the minds of the youth.
Corrupting the minds of the youth.
Sobrang corrupted po ng mind.
Yeah. And I love the fact that I'm teaching philosophy.
Opo.
Kasi yung parameters talagang halos wala. You can always move the
Opo.
boundaries, question the boundaries, transcend the
Yes
boundaries.
po. Next naman po, paano naman po nyo nasigurado na yung philosophy na yung gusto nyong ituro?
Well, siyempre, philosophy of man, basic yan, the
Opo.
fundamentals. Well, now the basic course is G-Ethics.
Opo.
But when I saw the textbook, predominantly Western, overview, a little bit of Eastern, and my specialization, of course, is Japanese philosophy
Zen.
and Zen Buddhism. So I wanted to incorporate more Eastern. So I'm adjusting the syllabus.
Ma'am, matanong ko lang po, yung view nyo sa West and Eastern philosophy,
Yeah.
bakit po kayo mas naglilin sa Eastern philosophy?
Because it's more complete. It's not denying or saying goodbye, but incorporating what you find in the West so that it gets enriched. Because the fact is we have rationality, we have logic, but you go beyond that. You bring that with you, but you don't, that's not the limit.
Kung matanong ko lang po, kung may i-elaborate nyo pa po yung difference ng West and Eastern philosophy.
Okay, so predominantly yung Western philosophy kasi and Western science, of
Apo.
course, is the foundation of that is the faculty of reason.
Yes.
So which is one kind of understanding.
Apo.
Of course, the first kind of understanding we have is instinctive.
Instinctive. Okay
Which
po.
we share with animals. And then in Eastern civilization, they also learn to tap another kind of consciousness, a different kind of understanding, which is of course intuitive.
Intuitive, yeah.
Okay, so this is understanding and knowledge beyond logic. Okay, so science is good and science is beautiful. The strength of science is its insistence on empirical data.
Yes.
But the weakness of science also is in insistence on empirical
Yes.
data. So
Kasi
what
may
if
mga bagay na hindi mo siya
What if you don't have the empirical data? It
Opo.
doesn't mean it's not there.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's when you have to go beyond.
Gets. Kaya siya mas complete.
Hindi mo siya iiwanan, pero
Opo.
isasama mo siya. But you see the limitations.
Ma'am, isa po ito sa mga pinakamalaking tanong ko sa buhay. Tsaka kung mas maganda po siguro kung masagot nyo siya in Filipino para...
Sige.
Kasi yun po, nabanggit nyo na sa Eastern philosophy is very intuitive. Yan po yung isa kong question sa buhay na malaking question ko sa buhay. Na, yes, naniniwala ako sa lahat ng itinuro ng science. Pero at the same time, yun nga po, maraming experience, maraming phenomena akong na-experience na hindi ko ma-explain. Na kahit science,
Yeah.
hindi pa ma-explain. So, isa na po dyan yung intuition. Like, ako rin po kasi as a person po, talaga medyo intuitive ako. And sobrang dami pong bagay na yung gut feel na talagang nagkatotoo. So parang, kung matanong ko po sa inyo, saan po ba galing ang intuition?
It is like the source
Yeah.
coming from the universe, and when you're plugged into it, parang saksakan di ba? So yung power outlet, kung hindi ka nakasaksak doon, hindi mo na-access. But the power is available.
Gets.
The energy is available.
Yes.
Okay? So it's like all the channels sa radio.
Yes.
If you don't tune into that, you don't hear. Okay?
Yes.
So yung frequency mo doon. So yung
Opo.
frequency na rational lang, yung frequency na instinctive lang.
Opo.
Okay? And there are other available sources. So yun na. And we need all naman.
Opo.
All of those sources have a place in our lives.
Opo. Natutuwa nga po ako na kasi ganoon din po yung view ko nga na sa kunyari po sa pagsusulat ng kanta. Na parang si universe may gusto nang intend na
Ganyan
mangyari.
yan. Oo, sa works of art, ganon. Minsan di mo alam kung saan nahuhugot,
Kung saan siya
ba't
nanggagaling.
lumalabas lang. And it's simply just flowing through you.
Opo, tuning in lang
Yeah.
na parang sa akin lang dadaan
Yeah.
yung pero hindi naman talaga sa akin. Yun.
And it's rationality that will try to figure out how.
Opo, gets.
But you cannot. How do you
Opo.
dance like that? You can't explain.
Opo.
So teaching is an art, music is an art, painting,
Yes.
so many art forms.
If I may ask po, kasi yun na po, napunta na po yung source na sinasabi niyo na yung energy or the frequency of the universe. Medyo papasok po dun yung concept ng, sa akin po kasi, sa personal belief ko naman po, yung order na yon or yung energy na yon, yung one ball of energy after the Big Bang, it's my definition of divine para sa
Okay.
akin, na parang
Yeah.
hindi siya anthropomorphic being, hindi siya
It's an energy.
hindi siya father, hindi siya
Yeah.
tatay.
Yeah.
It's an energy na lahat tayo part nun.
Oo.
So parang kung kayo naman po ang tatanungin ko, ma'am, ano po yung divine para sa inyo?
Ganun din.
Same
It's that
tayo.
presence, it's that energy.
Yes.
Now, when you come from the faculty of reason, gusto mong i-define, gusto mong i-translate into doctrines and dogmas.
Opo.
Not that they are correct, but not that they are wrong.
Opo.
But every definition is a limitation.
Gets.
Okay? So, all religions are correct up to a certain point and beautiful up to a certain point. Pero pag na-trap ka dyan, it can become ugly.
Yes.
Then you fight for the idea, it becomes an ideology, you know. So belief comes from the mind, eh. And life is not something that you need to believe in.
Opo.
Because it's there, available to your experience, you know. The belief is not necessary anymore. Do I believe that I'm talking to you? Di ba?
Opo.
That doesn't
Hindi na
even
necessary
enter.
kasi.
Di ba? Do I believe that I'm having these emotions?
Opo.
Nararamdaman mo na eh.
Opo.
Okay? So iba yung belief. Pwedeng maniwala ka pero hindi yung totoo.
Totoo, opo.
Di ba? So, pero pagdating sa experience, sa life,
Opo.
you cannot.
Para po
question
siyang
anymore.
gnosis, no? Parang yung opo.
Yeah, that's why the pantheistic, everything is sacred and divine. That's why when I was asked to deliver a lecture sa conference, ang theme nila, yung parang tinatanong, is God alive?
Opo.
Is God dead?
Opo.
Is
Ayun.
God still relevant? So the first two speakers, they went into that, the Muslim perspective, you have the Christian perspective, and I was the third and the last perspective. And I said, simula pa lang sinabi ko, the theme of this conference is to ask the question and to answer the question, is God dead? Is God alive? Is God still relevant? And I said, the question to ask is not, is God dead or alive or relevant? The question to ask is, are we alive?
Are we alive? Gets.
Because if there is God but you're dead,
Wala rin.
wala rin.
Wala rin. Opo.
And that energy, divinity, the sacredness is there. Okay? But are you there? Are you plugged into it?
Opo.
You know, you're looking for miracles and you don't realize that it's happening all the time.
Yes. Yun nga po yung ko rin view ko sa buhay na parang magic is real and magic is everything. Parang gano'n.
Yeah,
Parang,
yeah.
opo.
Kagaya no, nag-uusap tayo. You know,
Opo.
the eyes can see, the ears can hear.
Yes po.
And we're having this conversation. We understand each other. We ask each other's question. All the encounters are, I cut my nails and they grow back. Wow.
Yun nga po eh.
Yan, nauuhaw ako, tapos inom ako ng tubig, and then I feel different afterwards. You know, that is a miracle.
Totoo po. Tsaka pag yung nagkaano ko po sa buhay, yung parang nag-zoom in ka sa buhay, parang magiging everything is parang magical nga na para siyang yung order ng lahat.
Yeah.
Yung paano tumutubo yung blades of grass.
Yeah.
Paano ka mahalin ng aso mo.
There is rhyme and reason.
Opo, yung rhyme and
in
reason.
everything.